Hey, what's up guys? My name is John Spear. I'm with Warhammer Electric here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take a quick little snapshot of something on your desktop using the snip tool. It is a very commonly used tool that is very awesome to use once you know how to use it. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you're going to want to do is go to your start, or you can press the little Windows button on your computer or on your keyboard. If you don't have one of those, just go to this little window right here, click on it, it'll pop up, and then from here you can go to S, where it's Snip and Sketch. Another way to go is go to your little magnifying glass, click on that, and then right here in the search bar type in snip, so snipping tool app. So oops, we'll get that over there. So what you do, let's say we want to get a picture of this logo right here, just for instance. You'll click new, it'll bring it into a kind of a ghost mode, and then you'll be able to do that little number. Get a new tool, you'll be able to edit it, and with a pen or like a highlighter, so you'll get to do all those little things with it, like, do this, like point right at its eye, whatever you need to do, the highlighter function, if you need to highlight text, eraser mode, to get rid of all your crazy drawings, and then you can also edit with paint. Like I said, very handy tool. You can save a file or save your snip in whatever file you want to. Copy it so you can put it on an email. These are really your three options. You can do pin, and then it gives you a choice of black, blue, and red. But once again, super handy little tool. Just quick little thing, just search bar, snip, and even pin to taskbar, so you always have it here at the bottom. I already have mine pinned because I use it all the time for miscellaneous things, but just so you guys know, if you pin to taskbar, it will come here at the bottom, and it's super handy to use. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this. Every little bit helps, and every little bit is appreciated. For more computer tips, electrician tips, please follow the Warhammer page. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, my name is John Spear with Warhammer. Burn the ships. Have a good day, guys.